song I'm going to be singing right now is called Heaven by Jamie Foxx. I'm going to do a small little part. So tell me how I do. Okay. Tell me, have you heard the story that took place not long ago about an angel up in heaven? They say she up and ran away from home. Word is she had unfinished business, so back on earth she had to flee. Well, you know I'm so elated because she's laying right here next to me. And when God woke up that morning and he called out her name, and when she did,
oh, hell no.
that is so whack. Hello? No, boy, you done messed my whole thing up. Don't call my phone again. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. Oh, that's messed up.
Yeah, that's so going up here. On you.
No.
Yes.
Come on.
Keep going.
No. Do it again.
Keep going.
No, let's go.
Keep going.
I don't even. Come on, we got to do it over.
No, I'm so putting this up there.
You can